What's up, guys? It's your girl MzVee, and I am here to face the fans on MX24. Don't go anywhere.
For you alone, I go like one for you alone. Baby, don't call me alone.
Versatile, because I'm just free in what I do. It's creative, so I could choose to do whatever, whenever, so far as it feels great. Boko Boko, my first song I recorded solo.
Now you say you want it boko boko, boko boko, boko boko. Bad man want it boko boko.
So I texted her on Instagram and we exchanged numbers, and that was it. Because when I listened to the song, she was the only one I could hear on it, nobody else, and so I had to get her on the song. Biggest sacrifice? Become a musician. It's tough, guys, it's tough, no lie, it's tough. Best experience, I have the freedom to do whatever I want, whenever I want. Worst experience, none so far. I'm really just learning, so I'm enjoying every step. Yeah. Artists are like objects to people. People feel like they don't have feelings, and so yeah, they don't get too much attention on that side. But a lot of artists are going through like depression, I feel. The most difficult part about being a celebrity, you always have to be 100. You can never bring that volume down to like 50, or someone's going to think you are being some style. So that's hard. You always have to be 100. Oh yeah, so many times. I can't even remember, from ice cream to food at a restaurant to getting in front of a queue to just a lot of things. Worst rumor I've heard, that I exposed my private bits on TV. Yeah. Wow, fortunately, I've never had that experience. I think I've always been recognized the right way. I mean, a nomination is a win to me, so like out of all the artists in the country, you're like one of top 6 nominated. That's amazing. What isn't manipulated in this world? I feel everything is, but I think that we have an amazing board judging what we are doing here, and so yeah, they pick and choose right, I feel. Definitely, because for example, if there's like a foreign body coming from somewhere and they want to come and say, work with some of the topmost artists here, they're looking at awards as well. So yeah. Sabotage. When I get in my room, I scream and say all the insults I can say, and then I come out and I adjust my shutter, and then I'm on the road. I don't think anyone is obligated, is it the word, to promote anyone's stuff. I mean, it's great if someone does that, but at the end of the day, everybody's trying to push their brand. It's like, say, one drink and another drink company don't shout out each other. Do you get me? So at the end of the day, it's nice if people support, but nobody is really obligated to do that. The number is not on the chart. I can't even tell. Okay, so on every album I have a gospel song. And currently, I really want to do something with Mettle. I think he's really cool. I love his voice, and he's just emotional about what he sings. He gets his points across. I like him. It's a very hard one because I have like a list, like it's in a whole book. But let's see. I say Beyonce. Yeah, Beyonce. I've idolized her for a really long time. I'm staying true to myself. I'm just me through and through. Yeah, what you see is what you get. Favorite person in the industry? I have favorites. I don't have a favorite. I'm sure I'd be dead, buried in a cemetery somewhere. I can't imagine my life without music, honestly. Nah. This question, my type of man. So I like tall guys, first of all. I always have a crush on a tall guy. The cameraman is standing on his toes. I like tall men. The skin color doesn't really matter. You could be dark skin, white skin, black, Latino, anything. You should be tall. You should be hardworking. You should be God-fearing because our kids will need that, you know, teaching. And you should just be head over heels for me. Yeah. Yeah. Natural girl. Yeah.
I'm a natural girl, yeah.
Okay, so yeah, my upcoming album for next year. Next year is my 10th year in the Ghana music industry. Listen, it's not been easy, okay? Your girl is amazing, yeah? So the album coming for next year, plus a concert, is going to be wicked. Wicked. I'm working really hard, so I can't wait for you guys to experience me next year. Yeah. Yes, I have actually. It's something, I actually started working on it, but I put a pause on that, so it's something that should come out anytime soon. I just think that we are seen as the lesser, you know, gender.
Power overload.
In the music industry and in every industry, really. So it's unfortunate, but at the end of the day, I have the mentality of a guy, and so I'm not too, you know, it's painful. I'm going just like they're going, yeah. It's affecting musicians in Ghana. I mean, the number of songs, the number of hits, the number of times they are played on radio, people could be making good money, but our monies are all coming from outside and not where we are coming from. That's sad. My mom she's a dangerous woman. She's been through everything from us being the poorest people I ever knew to like this point in our lives. My parents actually, they are just superhuman. I mean, they never gave up, they don't stop. And honestly, the 1 or 2 people around me who love me, I just learn a lot from these people. So yeah, my parents and my team actually, yeah. I love you guys too much. You don't even understand. Just because, I'll put this bit in there. I'm not the kind of person with a lot of friends. You know, normally you meet artists that have like a whole entourage and they really push the artist, you know. I'm really solo. I have like 1 or 2 people around me, but at the end of the day, it makes me see that it's the fans that ride for me and that push my stuff. So I love you guys to the bone. God bless you, and just keep supporting MzVee. You know, it's Ghana at the end of the day. So yeah, love you guys. Hey guys, my name is MzVee and I just faced the fans on MX24 Tiwa Sawage. Hey.
Mama, I'm coming.